Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we'll be exploring Lafia, Nasarawa State. This is my very first time in Nasarawa State. So welcome to Nasarawa, Lafia. Welcome to Lafia. So this is Lafia, Nasarawa State. Lafia, also known as Lavian Beri-Beri, is the capital city of Nasarawa State. Lafia is a city in Nigeria's north central region. It is the capital and the largest city of Nasarawa State, with a population of over 330,712 inhabitants. Lafia, also known as Lafian Beri-Beri, is the capital city of Nasarawa State, north central Nigeria. The town was founded by Muhammadu Dunama in late 17th century in the site south of Shaibu village. The town now has its 17th emir in the person of Honorable Justice Sadi Bage Muhammad. Lafia became the capital of a prominent local chiefdom in the late 19th century. The Lafia market became one of the most important in the Benue Valley, and a trade route was opened to Logo, a Benue river port. In 1903, the British, who controlled northern Nigeria, recognized Chief Musa as Lafia's first emir. The emirate formed the major part of the Lafia division of Benue province. In 1967, the town became part of Benue Plateau State, and in 1976, it was allocated to Plateau State. The original inhabitants of Lafia are mainly by the Kanuri, Fulani, Kwandara, Alogo, Miogili. The town also has large populations of Hausa. This is due to the hospitable nature of the indigents and has made the city a miniature Nigeria. Modern Lafia, aside from being an administrative and educational center, it is also a collecting point for sesame seeds, soya beans, and it is also a trading center for yams, millet, and cotton. Besides farming, cotton weaving and dyeing are traditionally important activities of the town's inhabitants. Livestock farming is also a prominent activity, especially among the Fulani headsmen. The two royal families of Ari and Dala Dunama of the Kanuri people, Beri-Beri, are the ruling houses of the Lafia Emirate. The current emir is Sadi Bagi from the Dala Dunama royal family. He succeeded the longest reigning emir, His Royal Highness Isa Mustafa Agai I, 1976 to 2019. Tehe Lafia Central Mosque, also known as the Nasarawa State Mosque, is the state mosque of Nasarawa. The mosque was built in 1971 and is open to the non-Muslim public except during congregational prayers. Lafia is home to the Federal University of Lafia, Nasarawa State University Faculty of Agriculture Lafia Campus, Isa Mustafa Agahi I Polytechnic Lafia, School of Nursing and Midwifery, School of Health Technology Lafia, College of Agriculture, Lafia, and a study center of National Open University of Nigeria. It has a large number of primary and secondary schools. The St. William's Cathedral, situated along Jos Road, is the headquarters of the Lafia Diocese. Lafia is the capital of Nasarawa State. Lafia continues to play a crucial role in the region's socio-economy. I love Lafia because they have good roads. I just love the fact that the roads are very okay. It's good to drive, double lane, see the road markings, very okay. I just love the fact that they have good roads. So stay tuned as we continue to explore, as we continue to move around Lafia, Nasarawa State. So a quick stop for a light refreshment. We are in Chicken Republic, Lafia. So this is Lafia Chicken Republic. Let's take a look around the premises. It's looking so fine. Anyway, so their rice tastes so nice. This is just a light refreshment. So let's keep exploring Lafia. Stay tuned as we continue to explore Lafia, and if you have not subscribed to this channel, kindly click on the subscribe and the notification button below so that anytime we post our new video you can be notified. And here we are at Total filling station in Lafia for a quick refueling of our vehicle. So let's keep exploring Lafia. Let's keep moving. Let's get to their local road. Let's see how their local road looks like. And this road now will take you to Jos Plateau. Straight down here, if you're following, if you want to go to Jos Plateau, if you are going to Jos Plateau, you will pass through this route. This route straight down will take you to Jos Plateau. So let's keep moving around. Let's keep exploring Lafia. And this is Lafia Market. Please give us a thumb up, like this video as we continue to explore Lafia. Stay tuned as we continue to explore Lafia. Thank you for watching. Thank you for exploring Lafia with me. Thank you for staying around and thank you for watching. Please, if you have not subscribed to this channel, kindly click on the subscribe and the notification button below. Please like, comment, and share this video. Share to your family, share to your friends, and see you in our next video. Thank you.